actually here at the Big Lagoon at the El Nido. Going to Minilok Island Resort.
Where Born Legacy was raised.
Where Born Legacy was shot.
It's gorgeous!
Woo! Philippines, to the islands of the Philippines. High tide or low tide?
Yan po yung tinatawag natin mga limestone. Yung mga bato na yan.
Okay, spell lime.
Yung mga lime juice.
Lime juice.
It's cute!
Rex! Ha?
Mga 250 millimeters na po yan.
Ay! Ito na po din.
Nakatig yung katig.
Bye.
Aray, bato,
Ito ka
bato.
lang may ulan din ba?
Oh, meron na ba to?
Di, baby, kasya nila yan, kaya nila yan. Hinga lang kayo, trust. Oh, faith lang, faith. All we need is faith. See? We can all go through.
Mabuhay!
Welcome to the islands of the Philippines, where 7,102 are still present. To the right, you will see what is right. And to the left, you will see what is left. And you will see the rain falling, and that's the rain.
You're not cute!
Yan po yung level ng water pag high tide.
Ayan.
Para yung second line sir sa taas yung dating level ng tubig.
O, million years ago.
Yes sir.
Ngayon, ano na, nababawasan. Kaya wag tayong uminom na masyado ng tubig, kaya hindi tama yung sinasabing
Dinadagdagan ko man, umiiyak ko eh.
ay, nadadagdagan pa rin. According to fathers, nadadagdagan pa rin, kaya umihi ka na umihi.
Wala. Madagdagan.
Video to video.
Ay, picture nga!
Ipi naman.
Patay na yan.